Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is in your area. Oh god, my voice is yeah, I need take two. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, whatever time it is in your area. Hi everybody, thank you for watching my video, and make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this video. So today we have something exciting. I am at Planet Curls. Oh my god. I'm gonna get a haircut. I'm gonna get a curly haircut. All of this is going away. I wonder how short they're gonna I wonder yeah, I wonder how short they're gonna cut it though. Like, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, I'm here and I have an appointment soon, so I just want to hurry up and get into this real quick. I have been struggling with my hair for the past, I don't know, year or so. Of course it's grown because of all the hormones from, you know, being pregnant and having my baby or whatever. But I feel like it's not as healthy as it could be, not as curly as it could be, of course, because it's super long. But Planet Curls promises to take care of your hair and make your curls the best curls that you could possibly have. So I came here today to pay them a visit, and we're gonna see what's up, you guys. So I'll see y'all later.
So this is a before picture of my hair. See how freaking long it is. It's like past my shoulders. It's like, I don't know, it's like it wants to be curly, it doesn't want to be curly, it curls when it wants to. It really doesn't have a shape. So hopefully Planet Curls can help me to bring my beautiful natural curls back to life. So I just want to let y'all know, you guys are not going to be seeing my hair get cut. You are just going to be seeing the after part. So I showed you before. This is a picture of the before, and then I'll be showing you the after, or during the process after it's been cut. But I do want to speak to you guys about different types of curly hair. So Planet Curls is located on Main Street in Houston, Texas, and the person who did my haircut was Jerry. I believe she is the owner, but I'm not 100% sure, so don't take my word for it. And I received a Rezo haircut, which is fairly new to the curly hair community, but it's pretty much like a layered haircut that's for curly hair. So now that you've seen me after my haircut, this is what I was doing while I was under the dryer, reading this Curly Girl Handbook, which really helped me to identify what type of curly hair I have. Okay, so there are 7 curl types to identify the type of curly hair you have. And in order to do this, you would have to go based on the spring factor. How long is your spring factor in inches? So I'll go through all 7 of them. Corkscrew would come to 9 to 12 inches. Botticelli would be 5 to 8 inches. Corticelli would be 5 to 10. Shrub being the same, 5 to 10 inches. Wavy being 2 to 4 inches. Swavy being 1 to 2 inches. And fractal being 9 to 16 inches. So once you have measured your spring factor, you can identify which one of these curl types you are. So only Diva Curl products were used on my hair. We followed the steps of cleansing, hydrating, styling, and finish and refresh. So to cleanse my hair, we used Low Poo Delight. To hydrate, the One Condition Delight. To style, believe in and volumizing foam. And then to finish and refresh, they use the flexible hold hairspray. What do you guys think? I love it. I think my hair looks so much healthier. This is my natural hair color. It's not black, it's like a dark brown. I love it, I love it. So let me know what you guys think, you know? Give me a thumbs up, like the video, comment, let me know what you think. Thank you, Planet Curls. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what other content you would like to see, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one. Bye.